Hello everyone, welcome back to Adrenaline Tutorial International. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, and today we're going to be continuing from the previous video that we did on the calculations involved in solubility. Now, this is another episode. Now, in our previous episode, we talked about some few calculations on solubility, talking about how to be able to know how a solution is saturated or unsaturated, as the case may be. Now, in this video, we're going to continue from here to learn some other areas that your examiners can set questions from. Now, I will encourage you to do well to like, comment, and also tell me that particular topic that you want me to actually explain to you. Now we move to these questions that we are right here on the board. Now the question says the solubility of a compound of molecular mass 80 gram per mole is 4.0 mole per dm cube and 3.0 mole per dm cube at temperatures of 60 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius respectively. Now, what does that statement simply mean? It simply means that at this particular temperature, the solubility at that particular temperature was 4.0. At this other particular temperature, the solubility of the compound was 3.0. That's the meaning of the word respectively. Now, look at the step-by-step approach I am using here. Now, what mass of this compound is deposited if 1 dm cube of the saturated solution of the salt at 60 degrees Celsius is cooled to 45 degrees Celsius? And these are the options. Now, what do? It is simple. We first of all bring out what we're given. First of all, we're giving the molar mass of the compound to be what? 80 gram per mole. We're giving the solubility of the salt at 60 degrees Celsius to be equal to what? 4.0 mole per dm cube. We're also giving the solubility of the salt or of that compound at 45 degrees Celsius is equal to 3.0 mole per dm cube. And do not forget, the volume of the solution was given to me to be what now? 1 dm cube. Now, with all these parameters involved here, then the answer is solved. Now, remember they said that what mass of this compound is deposited? What mass of this compound is deposited if 1 dm cube of the saturated solution of the salt is cooled? Meaning the mass, meaning when it was cooled, the temperature was 60 degree to 45 degree, meaning the solubility at this particular temperature would be 4 minus 3, which is now equal to what now? 1 mole per what? dm what? Cube. Now, remember the formula I gave to you. That solubility is equal to mass over molar mass multiply. Remember I told you, if my volume was given to me in cm cube, I would use 1000 over the volume. But hence the volume was given to me in dm cube, it will just be 1 over the volume. Now from this question now, I am looking for my what now? For my mass. Now I will rub off this part to create more space to actually solve the question. Now what do I do here? Of course, the solubility from the question here was 1 mole per dm cube, which is 1 equal to, I am looking for the mass of the salt that will crystallize out, which is x over the molar mass of the salt was 80 times, of course, 1 over 1. It's simple. So which is now Of course, 1 is equal to x over 80. I'm looking for x now. X is now equal to what now? 80 times 1 equal to what now? 80 grams. So the answer to that question now is what now? 80 what? Gram. Now, this is also applied to questions that are related to this aspect. I hope you get that. Do well to comment and let me know how this video has helped you. For now, thank you and God bless you. Bye.